Every community has a story shaped by its people, protected by its culture, and sustained by the environment it calls home. At the Kolkata Society for Cultural Heritage, we believe that when communities are empowered, traditions are preserved, and nature is protected, sustainable development becomes more than a vision. It becomes reality. This is the story of our journey through 2025 and 26. For more than a decade, KSCH has worked at the intersection of social development, environment sustainability, and cultural preservation. Today, our initiatives span across multiple states in India and beyond, creating opportunities where they are needed most. Recognized with special consultative status by the United Nations Economic and Social Council, our work demonstrates that meaningful change begins at the grassroots but has the power to create global impact. Every program we undertake is built around one goal: creating resilient communities that can thrive independently for generations to come. This year, our impact reached new milestones. In the Himalayan hills of Karsiong, we adopted an entire village, strengthening livelihoods, improving infrastructure, installing solar-powered streetlights, and laying the foundation for sustainable rural tourism. In Orissa, our healthcare initiative strengthened services across 7 district hospitals, helping improve access to quality healthcare for nearly 5.2 million people. Across the Sundarbans, we delivered clean drinking water to remote communities, restored fresh water ponds affected by salinity, introduced solar-powered purification systems, and installed solar street lighting that now brings safety, security, and opportunity to over 8,000 residents. These initiatives are not isolated projects. They are long-term investments in healthier, stronger, and more resilient communities. Development begins with people. Through women's self-help groups, discarded waste became sustainable products, transforming livelihoods for more than 1,850 women entrepreneurs. Children received educational kits that removed barriers to learning. KCH's commitment to inclusion extends far beyond community development. As a proud partner of the Eastern Zonal Tournament for Differently Abled Cricket Teams, organized by the West Bengal Cricket Association for the Differently Abled, inspired thousands athletes through inclusive sports. Every initiative carried a simple message: opportunity changes lives. Culture is more than history, it is identity. As the implementation partner for UNESCO's Rural Craft and Cultural Hubs program, KCH organized village festivals across Bengal that celebrated traditional music, dance, storytelling, and indigenous art forms. Thousands experienced the living heritage of Bengal through Sundar Rhythm and Mati Rhythm, creating new opportunities for artists while ensuring that centuries-old traditions continue to inspire future generations. At the same time, our annual mangrove plantation drive restored fragile ecosystems, protected vulnerable coastlines, and created green livelihoods for local women. Because preserving culture and protecting nature must always go hand in hand. Meaningful change is never achieved alone. Together with government agencies, international organizations, corporate partners, academic institutions, and local communities, KCH continues to build solutions that are scalable, sustainable, and inclusive. Our partnerships now extend beyond India, strengthening regional cooperation, fostering knowledge exchange, and expanding our vision of community-led development. To commemorate World Environment Day, KSCH partnered with the British Deputy High Commission, Kolkata, IBSA, and Kolkata Centre for Creativity to present Contours of Climate Action, Our Planet, Our Lens. The exhibition brought together award-winning photographs, internationally acclaimed wildlife filmmakers, and powerful visual stories, celebrating biodiversity, clean energy, environmental conservation, and community-led climate action. At the etnow.in Business Summit and Health Conclave Odisha Edition and Excellence in Education East 2026, KCH joined a distinguished platform that brought together leaders from business, healthcare, education, and sustainable development. Amid through provoking discussions and visionary ideas, the summit celebrated innovation, purposeful leadership, and shaping a better future for generations to come. KSCH's work is creating impact not only on the ground but also on the global stage. At the first international workshop on biomimicry and the ThinQA beta launch, hosted by Hamad bin Khalifa University in collaboration with the Qatar Environment and Energy Research Institute, KSCH's community-driven mangrove restoration model from the Sundarbans was presented as a leading example of nature-based solutions. Representing the organization, Dr. Tanzeen Fatima demonstrated how local communities, ecological restoration, and climate resilience can come together to create scalable, sustainable solutions, proving that grassroots innovation has the power to inspire global environmental action. The past year has been defined by resilience, by collaboration, by innovation, and above all, by people. Every tree planted, every artist celebrated, every child empowered, every athlete inspired, every partnership forged, every life transformed. Together, these are not simply achievements. They are the foundation of a more sustainable, inclusive, and culturally vibrant future. Kolkata Society for Cultural Heritage, preserving heritage, empowering communities, building sustainable futures. Together, let's create impact that lasts.